Good afternoon. My name is Kyle Regier, and I am a social studies teacher at Halstead High School in Kansas. I would say for me, my strengths as a teacher would be building relationships, and I think I'm pretty consistent with that, as well as knowing technology and using it in class. However, my weakness is probably being willing to kind of diversify and use different types of technology or kind of um, expand my base because I kind of get with the same thing and kind of stick with it. So for me, my goal is that this class in particular will help me to expand my knowledge base and kind of give me the confidence to use some more strategies, use some different types of web-based instruction, web-based learning in class so that I can, kind of spice things up and make things a little bit different in my class. So that's kind of my goal, not only for this class, but for my graduate degree in general, getting it in instructional technology. I'm hoping that I can use that, take that back to the classroom, and really just make myself a better teacher and a teacher that's willing to try things, a little bit more willing to try and fail and expand my range a little bit. So I'm really excited about this course to help me do that and excited to learn from everybody else on here. So thanks.